When the weather becomes chilly, there's a perfect cup of drink to warm you up just right. Cocoa, cinnamon, and nutmeg turn a normal tea bag into a delicious cup of this chocolate chai tea. Place the black tea bags into a small saucepan, then pour over the boiling water. Cover and let it stand for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the tea bags, then add in the granulated sugar and cocoa powder. Stir to combine. Cook and stir over medium heat until the mixture comes to a boil. Then, add in the milk, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, and ground nutmeg. Stir until heated through, but do not let it boil. Pour into cups, then serve with whipped cream and chocolate shavings on top. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.